Dark mode is a low-light user interface which uses a dark color as the primary background color. WP Dark Mode plugin makes a readable, good-looking dark mode version for your website. To maintain a healthy environment and well-being, Dark Mode plugin step ahead to provide you all kinds of facilities to ensure your stress-free working time. This plugin will let you furnish your website according to your desire with dark color scheme. You can access a website with dark mode in the evening or night to avoid the strains of your eyes. Dark mode will provide overall dark background and other features so that the dark skin color can match up with the dark mode. Most of the users prefer to use our WordPress Dark Mode plugin because of its beneficial features and safe environment. Darkloop WP plugin provides a lots of free version of amazing features. Switch buttons of different styles are accessible in dark mode. Choose any style among different switch button styles for your user to turn on or off the night mode. To cope up with the dark mode, adorn your website by customizing it with your desired color. You can edit any specific section of your website with the help of custom CSS. Time-based dark mode feature will provide an automatic turn-on system according to user demand and selected local time. Almost all leading operating systems supports WordPress Dark Mode plugin for showing dark mode color scheme. You can insert shortcode to change the location of dark mode switch button anywhere you want. While viewing website in dark mode, this image supportive dark mode plugin will fulfill the necessity of changing the brightness and contrast of image. You can change the font size of your website text as you need. Night mode plugin allows you to change the color of your admin dashboard, which will create a better environment for you. You can have your desired color scheme with a pleasurable vision of the backend admin page. The most leading page builders in WordPress like Elementor, Divi, Visual Composer support the Darkloop Dark Mode plugin for WordPress. You can build and customize your website using the Dark Mode plugin with full support of these page builders. Compatible with WooCommerce website, which enrich the readability of your WooCommerce website. Don't be worried. Enjoy a happy journey with your website using Darkloop Dark Mode plugin. If you need any support and help, our team is always ready to serve you in the best way. Contact with us and visit our website for any information. Grab the wonderful plugin for your need. We ensure you that our plugin will give you the most pleasurable experience. Thank you.